The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the urban design guidelines that are being developed for Bailey's Crossroads and Seven Corners of Fairfax County, and to provide you with the opportunity to comment on them. Urban design is a term that is used to define the appearance of streets, public spaces, and buildings within neighborhoods or cities. Urban design guidelines are a tool that can be used to help revitalize communities by setting expectations for high-quality development, resulting in attractive and distinctive places that enhance the quality of life for people who live in, work in, or visit them. The comprehensive plan guides the overall pattern of development in areas of the county, including the location and intensity of building uses, as well as the transportation, parks, and open space networks. The comprehensive plan for Bailey's Crossroads and Seven Corners contains high-level concepts related to urban design and envisions that these places will redevelop into vibrant mixed-use activity centers. The character of an area is often referred to by urban designers as placemaking. Placemaking helps to focus areas on people, not just cars and buildings. It emphasizes lively neighborhoods and inviting public spaces. A local example of a place that has a unique identity is the city of Alexandria, where its small-scale buildings, walkable downtown, and brick sidewalks make Alexandria stand out as a historic area. The guidelines are organized into 7 chapters, beginning with the overall urban design goals, then broadly describe topics such as the layout of streets, mix of building uses, and where parks should be located and how they should be designed. Each chapter starts with an overview of the existing comprehensive plan recommendations, followed by a description of the desired character and placemaking components, and then concludes with specific suggestions. The specific urban design recommendations are organized into topical areas including site design, street network and cross-sections, street design, and building design. Some notable recommendations include a variety of park spaces and generally where they should be located. There are 5 different types of streets. For example, Route 7 is a boulevard, and Seminary Road is an avenue. For each type of street, there is a depiction of all of the elements, including medians, the roadway, parking lanes, landscape, and street tree areas, sidewalks, and spaces between the building and sidewalk. Techniques to reduce stormwater by incorporating more green space with elements such as rain gardens. Appropriate locations for parking and design strategies to incorporate surface parking and garages while minimizing their effect on creating a high-quality place. Changes to the existing sidewalk design found along parts of Columbia Pike from Carlin Springs Road to Lacey Boulevard for a more sustainable and visually appealing streetscape over the long term. A wide range of colorful and varied street trees and landscaping options. Distinct street furnishings that encourage color and variety. Building design elements that emphasize a pedestrian-friendly ground floor through doorways, large windows, lighting, and signage. Having adopted guidelines in place will help the county, landowners, and citizens make decisions about aspects of the built environment that affect how these places are perceived and used. How parks, plazas, streets, and buildings look and function can be used to create a well-designed and distinctive place that increases value for both the community as well as for individual properties. So how can you provide input? A complete draft of the Bailey's Crossroads and Seven Corners Urban Design Guidelines is available on the Office of Community Revitalization website. We encourage you to review the guidelines and provide feedback on recommended changes or other things that should be considered. A feedback form is available on the webpage where you may submit suggested changes. Once the guidelines have been revised based on input received online, they will go to the Board of Supervisors for its review. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the guidelines, and we look forward to hearing your ideas.